This video is of the center portion of the Swamp Rabbit Trail leading from the Swamp Rabbit Cafe and Grocery at Cedar Lane Road in Berea and proceeding to the Falls Park in downtown Greenville. This second little bridge that we're approaching is crossing the Reedy River, which puts the river on the right-hand side of the trail as we proceed south toward Greenville. This intersection is of the CSX crossing and East Bramlett Road. There's a long stretch of storage yard for CSX on the left-hand side of the trail. The Reedy River is still right there on the right. At this next intersection, there's a traffic counter that keeps track of pedestrians and cyclists on the trail. We're crossing over Willard Street, and we'll go under the CSX line that's overhead. There's 3 tracks up there. In front of us is the Swamp Rabbit himself. Good photo op. Next up is the area known as the Commons, a series of warehouses that face both the trail on one side and a street on the other side. It's full now of little boutique shops and restaurants. This bridge on the right crosses over into the wide fields of the Unity Park. That's where the basketball courts are. And this side of the river is slow traveling for bicycles. This second bridge that we're approaching crosses the Reedy also. We are now approaching the group picnic pavilions. Beautiful structures. You can see on the left the big Unity Park sign. This third bridge is the south end of the Unity Park. We'll be turning right on the Higgins Family Bridge. We'll then be turning left onto South Hudson Street. This underpass is of South Academy Street. Followed quickly by an underpass of River Street. We're now entering Falls Park. The little footbridge on the left there is the Eugenia Duke Memorial Bridge, and as a memorial to Eugenia Duke, the founder of Duke Mayonnaise. This next underpass takes us under South Main Street. Here's an entrance on the left to a second portion of the trail that runs down closer to the river. We're going to stay on this upper half of the trail. Falls are on the left. In front of us is the famous Liberty Bridge, a bridge that's supported by two columns, and the cable that you see are directly in front of us. Now we're going to run down to the lower level of the park, below the falls, where the trail and the river both take a sharp left-hand turn. This is the end of this segment of video as we approach the Furman College Way, downtown Greenville.